Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is just gonna be about trying to get back into routine, trying to reset, trying to get back into my game. On a perfect day, I typically start my day by journaling, trying to get in touch with myself, with my emotions, with my thoughts, with my feelings. Then after journaling, I typically whip out my planner. I usually plan my day the night before. So by the next morning, I just look at it and try to check as much boxes as I can. After processing my thoughts, my emotions, and ticking off some of my to-do list, I then go ahead and start with my skincare routine. Hi, boy. Hi, girl. Good morning. Good morning, sweet puppers. Good morning to my sweet puppers. Today we're gonna head over to our gym. I'm walking to the gym now and it's blazing hot. It's like 90 degrees today. Working out has always been one of my coping mechanisms for stress. Just gives me this insane amount of energy and joy every time I complete a workout. I would be totally honest that I haven't been as consistent as I used to be with working out. I don't know, I guess it's just not my priority lately, although staying fit, staying healthy should be a priority. So I think this is kind of like a mental note for myself to stop making excuses, to just show up for myself. And if you are someone who is struggling to keep yourself fit, just so you know, I am totally with you. This has been my struggle lately, to show up for myself, to keep myself accountable, and to just try to be the best that I could. I have to remind myself that no one's gonna take care of you but you. No one's able to change your mindset, your goals, but yourself. So let's keep ourselves accountable. Let's try to be better every single day. If we fail today, we could always try again tomorrow. Workout's done. I feel so much better. I actually feel alive. I'm gonna head back home now and then cuddle with my dogs, get changed probably because I'm so sweaty, and then head over for lunch. we just had our lunch. It was pretty good. The food's amazing. I love it. I'm definitely coming back
We
there.
just found ourselves at Home Depot to get some gardening supplies.
It's very hot. Sit. Okay.
A nice cup of coffee would always brighten my day. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. If I crave for coffee, I will go ahead and make sure to drink it. Not because I need the energy or the caffeine. I just love drinking coffee. I love the taste of it and I just enjoy drinking it. Reading is such an integral part of my day. It doesn't matter how crazy busy my schedule gets. I always make it to a point to read for at least an hour every single day. There's something about reading that keeps me really alive. It's like a ticket to see the world from a different perspective.
I'm gonna need to repot this one because I don't know if you guys could tell, but this is just not working out for me. This one needs to be repotted as well because it's outgrowing its pot already.